Hi everyone, this is Kenneth Kwan, and one of my clients just asked me this interesting question. How do you develop confidence in a person, especially when they lose their confidence? Or maybe they made some mistakes recently and it affected them. I guess there are a few approaches. Number one, you could always rah-rah the person. You could just say, hey, be optimistic. Don't think about the negative things. Well, it could work, but sometimes this person just goes back into the reality saying, hey, you're optimistic now, but anyway, I don't think I'm going to be like this forever. So the second way is to focus on past signs of success and focus on it. And in our program, Small Steps to Big Changes, we help the person to examine past signs of success. So let me give you an example. A very real case was a person who we know was retrenched and for 9 months couldn't find a job. And after a while, it affects you as a person. You start doubting yourself, you start feeling that, are you the cause of the problem? Are there some things that you did and did really badly that resulted in this? But how do you help this person when they are in a negative state? So looking at the past signs of success, when I had a conversation with this person, and we'll not use his name, but I'll just ask questions like, hey, last time I could remember you shared to me, you were part of a project team that actually patented an approach, patented something in your company. And you were part of the team and you were very proud of it, right? Can you remember that time? Yeah. Then of course he said, yes, of course I remember. I'm just curious, what does it say about yourself? He says that actually we put in a lot of hard work. I put in a lot of hard work and I was part of the team and we really worked really hard and we delivered on the project. You could see his sense of pride and excitement. Great. Could you remember that helped you contribute a certain level of success? So I was just focusing on asking past signs of success. And of course, another time you shared that he was very different as a leader. He was very compassionate, always thinking about his people. And everyone in his team really liked him. And he was really good at managing people. So when I started getting more evidence of past signs of success as a leader, as a person who contributed a lot to the company, then he started feeling that, hey, actually, I'm pretty good. I'm not as bad as I feel right now. And the feeling right now is terrible because it's been a dry season and there's no job available. But it helped him to remember that he actually did a lot of good. Right now, he's going through a rough patch. And he understands that it's going to be temporary before he finds another job. So it's important to develop confidence using an evidence-based approach by looking at the past, and not only looking at the past, but looking for signs of success in the past to help a person remember that this person is actually confident, they're successful in their own way, and they demonstrated it. I hope this helps, especially when you have conversations with people and you need to restore them and help them feel confident about themselves again.